Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G. And for that you have three ways for. Let me show you the first one. It works with the buttons. So we will need the power button for and the volume down button. Press these both buttons just for short together and we are having a screenshot. After you can see the preview and you can send it directly to your friends with WhatsApp, Telegram and so on. One more time, the power button and the volume down button just for short together and we are having a screenshot. If you tap now here in the preview, by the way, you can also draw something inside, or you can highlight something, or here the corners. You can crop a part of the screenshot, what is very useful if you want to capture maybe a picture from a website or something like this. Huh? After, just confirm it, you're at the checkbox, and it will be part of your gallery. But the coolest way to have a screenshot is with 3 fingers. So just swipe them across the screen, and you're having a capture as well. So one more time, take 3 fingers, and you're having a screenshot here as well. You're ready to find your screenshots after, of course, here at the gallery, and here the photos, they are mixed up with the photos and videos you have done with your camera. So this is why I recommend to you to always go here to the albums, because the screenshots will have here their own folder only for your screenshots and screen recordings. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.